So hi guys, we are back. I am back again, and this time I'm going to be doing a cassava banana cake. This is going to be the first time that I'm going to be trying it. So I'm hoping that it's going to turn out fine. In fact, the reason that I'm trying this is because someone asked me to give them a recipe of a gluten-free cake. Um, so I thought, why not give them a gluten-free cake which is going to, serve their purpose. All right, so this is my first attempt. I'm really hoping that it's going to come out fine. If it does, you'll see. Whether it comes out fine or not, I'm certainly going to show you the results of it. So this is 1 cup of sugar. Since the bananas, ziko na sukari yake, so they have their own sugar. So I didn't put a lot of sugar. Okay. So this is 1 cup of sugar. Then in it, my goodness, in a magita, that is half cup of vegetable oil. In a magita, let me wipe that. Wipe that. So of course we mix this mpaka ichanganyike vizuri. So here I have 4 eggs. I'm about to put them one at a go. Hizo zimeingia tatu. The last time. As I've said before, I'll still say it again. I don't know whether you watched my previous video. This part where you mix the sugar and the sugar and the margarine or the vegetable oil and the eggs highly determines how your cake turns out. So for this you have to be patient when doing it. Yes, so that you can turn out fine. Oh. Now next, for all my banana cakes, I always put cinnamon. How do I say it? It makes the taste. It enhances the taste. That's what I'm trying to say. It enhances the banana taste. Cinnamon in most cases. So you put for a teaspoon of it, Naimesha. It enhances the taste of the cake, of your banana cake. In most cases, from what I have seen, people mostly use cinnamon either on banana cake or on carrot cake for that enhancement of the taste of the cake. Yes. And when you try any of my cakes, why don't you just tell me that you tried and it came out either fine or otherwise? It feels good to know that someone has tried something that you've done. Yes, it encourages them to keep doing it over and over again. So if you've tried any of my recipes, this or any other one that I've posted before, why don't you let me know how it turned out? So here I have 5 mashed bananas. I put 5 because they were small bananas. So in goes the bananas. for the banana cake, you normally don't put any more liquid in form of either water or milk or buttermilk. Although there are some cakes that call for buttermilk. So um, because the banana is already soggy enough, because when you're baking a banana cake, it is mostly advised that you use the very ripe bananas, the ones that the peels are almost becoming black in color. All right, those are the most ideal ones for making a banana cake. Sour. So next, I put the flour. This is 2 cups, 2 and 3/8 cups of cassava flour. And then in here, I have put a tablespoon and a teaspoon of baking powder. Sour. So I'll put the flour in 3 batches. As usual, don't overmix your your flour, powder. Smelling good. I hope it's going to be smelling as good as I bake it. So this is where I'm going to bake it from. I've already put the baking, I've already greased the baking tin and nikaweka non-grease paper in there. And that is what the flour looks like. I hope you can see. Yeah. I've only tried baking a cassava cake just once. And when I did it, I put a lot of sugar. So it was not the best cake to eat. So this is actually my second trial of a gluten-free or a cassava cake. So I'm crossing my fingers that it turns out fine because, well, I'm looking forward to eating it myself. And of course, gluten-free means that this is something that you can indulge in healthily because there's a limit to it. But this is a cake that you can eat without feeling guilty of eating cake because it's gluten free and it doesn't have as much sugar as other cakes. So I'll see you once it's baked and ready. I hope it turns out fine. And even if it doesn't turn out fine, I'm surely going to show it to you. So, all right. I'll see you soon. So here is the cassava banana cake. So I've just removed it from the oven. And hey, it looks delicious just by looking at it. Tutaona ndani inakaaje. I want to give it a few more minutes for it to rest in the pan before removing it. I'll cut it so that you guys can see what it looks like inside. Okay. Ouch. Understand? I know I need a mat, but well, we move regardless. We use what we have. And that's a book. Ama namna gani wadau? Inakaa tamu waki. Inakaa tamu kusema kweli. Clarence. Si mnasema ni amkuli?
Anyanyua. Tanyanyua nani? Nyanyua pio. Nyanyua pio.
Zimeingia hapo.
Oh my gosh.
Just nakata.
Kata.
Look at that. Look at that. Unakaribia sana na italeta tu moshi. Look at that. Huh? First of all, hata huwezi sema hii ni cassava flour. Just by looking at it, you can say that this is cassava flour. And when you smell it, wait, you relax. And when you smell it, it smells so good. Eh? Yeah. Huh? Daktari alisema usikule, si ndio? So daktari alisema usikule.
Exit sasa.
So Clarence is doing the tasting for us. How is it, Clarence? Itamu sana? Ah, okay. Sawa. Wacha nitoe. So here is the final cake. After the final cake. So this is what it looks like. Okay? And I'm telling you, sometimes mtu anasikianga umeachieve kitu kama hii kwangu ni achievement. This is a gluten-free cake. Very sweet. Yani, even when I'm giving you guys this recipe, I'm very confident about it. Eh? Okay, sawa, wacha niende, sijaonja. Clarence ashaonja.
My gosh.
Hii keki ni tamu.
Nivyo.
See you next time.